to scrap this big, huge metal thing that I had picked up for nostalgic purposes, but I don't want it anymore. And meanwhile, this is right here, the apartment complex I live, so I'm going to see what I can get for all of it. See y'all later. Here's a couple finds from today. Robert Woods. It's just, you know, glued on. Somebody made it. But it's a nice little scene. Kind of a cozy house farm scene. Not sure if that's a person. It looks like a family here, but it could just be stakes. Actually, these look like some people. And I like it. It's on this chain. And then the back is just an olive green. And the other find is this old antique lamp, real old because, hello, the cord is cloth, which I would never be plugging in, don't worry. And I don't know who made it. There's no markings on it. It's made out of ceramic. If you look up underneath it, this has come off, but it's a ceramic lamp. And there's no maker's mark. Nothing on the back. But look at that cute couple. Isn't that awesome? Beautiful yellow color, which, you know, I like yellow. Who doesn't like yellow? And it's just nice. So I may look into later, you know, not selling this at the garage sale, but maybe getting it fixed. Just needs a lampshade. I think everything else, I mean, this structure's okay. Put a lampshade on there and get this electrical part. If it wasn't for the frayed cord, it's not frayed, but it's just too old. I'm not about to plug that in. So those are a couple of the finds today. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for watching. Let's see what we got from the Dollar Tree, if anything. Laundry detergent. I could use some of that. These big baskets. Also cleaning wipes. I can use those on my dry erase board. A broken cup. Some little Dixie cups I can use in the this I'll open up and feed to the birds, but the package is not open. Tomato sauce, a little bit of a dent, not too bad. These are pretty cracked, not too bad. Empty. And another tomato sauce. Gatorade's open, I think. Clear tape. There's the dispenser. Doesn't have anything to cut it with, but that's okay. You can use scissors. Some kind of little about it. That right there.